As this Rom tips, today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Lithuania, and the link and coupon will be in the description. Alright, and let's go. Open description and click on link eSIM Wi-Fi and open this website wi-fi.com, this service #1 for you for eSIM, and click on this and write. Okay, click on this and scroll down, choose data type unlimited or fixed data, and choose a speed plan light plus premium and select days. I recommend premium or plus, this fast speed, alright, and select days. I'm select 30 days premium speed unlimited data and click on buy it now. Open new page and click on this discount code and write ROAM tips. Click on apply and total saving these dollars, this good, and click on Google Pay and buy a SIM, or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on pay now and buy a SIM. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.